In this video, we will review Moomoo. Moomoo is a popular commission-free trading platform that offers a wide range of tools for both beginners and experienced investors. It stands out for its user-friendly interface, which makes it very easy to navigate through stocks, options and ETFs. One of the platform's key features is real-time market data, charting tools and in-depth research resources, which is usually available only through higher-tier brokerage accounts. Moomoo also offers fractional shares, enabling users to invest high-priced stocks with only a small amount of money. Additionally, the platform provides paper trading, allowing users to practice without any financial risk. However, Moomoo is without no downsides. While the app is feature-rich and its mobile experience can feel slightly cluttered, beginners may find the sheer amount of data overwhelming. Customer service, though, is generally responsive and has mixed reviews in terms of timeline. Moomoo is an excellent choice for active traders looking for an advanced toolset without any traditional fees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.